Blessings to all my lovely peoples. Welcome back to the Yahman Family TV Nation. We're here. I'm head out to Hellshire. We go link up with Christmas List and the Wanga. So I don't know if I pronounce her name right. But if I don't pronounce it right, I'm so sorry. Right, so I head out to Hellshire. We go to a link up with them. Get to know them, and I hope you guys enjoy the little vlog here, video here, alright? So just stay tuned and watch what I'm going, alright? Hellshire, where you going? One Christmas list, man. Believe no, man. Other day, I watch up on my TV, done a flanker, you know. I say, yo, boy, Chris, no, playing the Tommy Lee's part, you know. What are you guys doing over here? Yeah, freestyle, like you're so. One Glen level, no other, no posted that. I can't even show this on camera. Damn, Chris, damn. So I have to show you up that my place, man. Make I get some clippings. Come in. Cause you know one see it. So what you deal with? You good? Walking, man. Believe no man. Say no more custody? No, man. No, you don't buy no lobster from me to them. And they eat already. Alright, come in. Hellshire with the people. Yes, my G. So we're there with Christmas lists. Brothers are YouTubers, man. So just a walk through and just a look. Chris, come in, my general. I came here, I was here a couple of days ago. Chris, come in now, man. Ice stars, they are still over here, so. Yeah, man, ice stars, they are too. We've seen that ice stars band, you know. All type of things are going, napkin, ice stars, and rinse off, and beer things. And so ice stars, man, this is Hellshire. So when you come Hellshire, just look for that brother here. Good for your nerves, good for your eyesight, good for your back, good for your cocky road. And if a man can't get no you, just log on with the ice stars, man. See there? Big up on yourself. Alright, blessings. Ah. Big kitchen at Hellshire. When you come Hellshire here, so when you come in and look on the fish in the fire, man. Watch your partner, man. She go tell you where place name. Yeah, man, see her here. Celine British? Celine. Yeah, man, when you come Hellshire, just come link up Celine. The kitchen there. The Spanish town in them. Rima. You man, they are flanker what they are thugs. The man and Tamil part of flanker. It's a real deal for show, man. Okay, what going? Kenya. Kenya's biggest travel blogger. So they come to Jamaica? That is it, yes. Right? You wear this color. That is it. That is it. When they come to Jamaica, you wear this color. Yes. Come to me, General. Let me get the sign. 100% fresh. From the sea to the pan, yes, to the pot. To my belly. Yeah, belly. Yeah, right. That is it. That's the end spot. But no pork though. This is the yellowtail snapper. And this is the red snapper. Yeah, so I'm gonna find the sizes that you guys want. Okay? Medium size of the best. Medium. Okay, medium. Although I just told Chris I can finish these big size, but not now. These three okay, Chris? I'm gonna do them with festival for you, right? I don't know, I can show you. The queen of YouTube is right here. Positive vibes. My friend, give me something similar. How much is that going to cost for one like that? Well, Mr. Well job then. Alright. I don't want my one so big. I want one smaller. Alright, my boss. One little one. Yeah, one little one. That one good? That look too big to you. I want smaller one. That one not good? Yeah, man, that good. That good. Alright. So all fry? Yeah, more mine. What do you recommend? What's the best? I can fry, I can steam for the menu. Yeah, I'm doing this for you guys to establish my business, yes, so you guys can put this to the world. Yes. So when they come to Jamaica and come to Hellshire Beach, people know exactly where they're coming. I'm going to give you festival avocado and some fresh vegetables, right plant. Okay? Where's the brown stew, Chris? How are you doing? Hey guys! My name is D Mongo and subscribe to this channel. It's one of the best channels in Jamaica.
so do so.
Yes, no man.
Yeah.
So I can share the food. This is yours, yeah?
Yeah man, they can bust it in a two.
Hey, buddy. Sorry about that.
Yeah man. The Christmas that talk to him fish.
I feel bad if I don't talk. I'm sorry about today, buddy, but I'm hungry. Smell it.
Look no man, these people.
What about some rice and peas? Yeah. No? Like I can't order any?
I don't know, you have to ask them.
Thank you. Oh, this is mine over here.
Jamaican plantain.
I was playing with the wrong fish. This is mine.
Where's the that talk to the wrong fish?
Yeah, sorry about that.
I ordered some rice and peas for you, okay?
Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's coming.
And sorry, a few plates?
Hot tool.
Fully hot tool.
What you want going?
Outside, we outside a full dry life, you see me? With all of the influence of them, you see me?
Yes, no
Yes.
man.
We are enjoying.
Enjoy life.
Yeah.
Enjoy life.
Let's win.
So I go and people out here.
Hey, buddy.
Hellshire with it.
Fully wild and hard is life. Oh.
Yes, no man. Yeah, enjoy fishing now.
Lost for words. Look at this. Look at the mountain.
Yeah, look. He's from Africa, from Kenya,
So good.
Jamaica. You see me right there, nah, man.
10 out of 10.
Fish where they are eat. They are with Christmas list, hot pool, and the wanga.
It's okay, Chris.
You good? You got one more.
Look on my plate, people. Fish gone. So your food, my boss?
Murder. Wicked.
Where's that?
Big.
Yeah, man. Wild.
Wild.
Hey,
The best.
a shot.
10 out of 10 minus nothing.
Mm-hmm. Where's the Christmas?
Not bad, not bad.
Yes, no man. Look on the damn plate. Yes, no man.
Piece of shark. Piece of shark.
Oh,
They give
dear.
you such a piece of shark. Yeah, Jesus.
Said D, you were with the best.
Yeah, I'm with the best, you
Bring
know.
people together. That's why.
Right now, I'm not hanging out with people who are competing to be at the bottom. I want to be at the top,
I don't know if
guys.
you heard that. Let me repeat. D said there's no use competing at the bottom. We're
Yeah.
trying to get to the top.
Yeah, that's my goal, guys. No more competition at the bottom.
Yes.
I want to be the real ninja.
The real deal. We're competing for Ninja of the Year award right here.
Yeah.
Yes, we got Nova Scotia. Cool vibes. Yes.
Yeah, we are out here,
No,
nation.
no alcohol involved. Shout out the team.
People, we also there with a big dancer. She always there in most of the local Jamaican them artist music video. Watch them. International. Sorry people. Sorry, my bad. International dancer. Look on her, no, man. Yes, no, man. Clean and nice.
Chama, put them you out, I can say that.
Where T-bone there?
Yeah, put them on it. People, look at this. This is T-bone, hear that? This is T-bone, people. This is T-bone. You know what's over there first? You know pull it.
Yeah, T-bone.
No, man, this is T-bone.
Oh, this is T-bone over here, so. Catch it, alive. Hold them.
Put them on it, go for the bite of your own. Yeah, shake it, ball, give them on it. Yeah, spin him up.
Vroom, 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 vroom.
she was going today. I kidnapped her. I didn't tell her where she was going. I said, get in the car. Look, big up Daddy Irie, straight up.
Yeah, my mind just run on you today, you know, and say, you know, come last week, me I see you today.
I knew I was coming today.
Yes.
I don't know.
Yes.
I was just playing with your emotions a
But
little
Chris,
bit.
you have to thank me because you gave me lots.
In this and some saying that, some saying I stay down, go get fat, oh yeah. Remember the old time saying, remember the old time saying, I want no dead, no dashy way. I want no dead, no dashy way. Then, yeah, alright. Where them I do, where them I try, where them I say,
Big
where
tune.
them
Yeah.
I do. Then, yeah, alright. Remember the old time saying, remember the old time saying, one no dead, no dashy way. Oh, one no dead, no dashy way. Then, yeah, alright.
I'm just a warm up, people. I'm just a warm up.
Yes. Sharon said you just woke up. Yes.
Wagwan,
Everything good?
how you doing?
Yeah.
In the ghetto.
Oh, this is my song.
Hold him.
Children dying
In the ghetto.
They got no mom, they got no dad. They need someone like you.
Hold
So
him.
give an helping hand. Give them an helping hand. Wake up in the morning feeling sad, sad and blue. They walk around town all day long. They come back still the same. So give an helping hand. Yeah, in the ghetto. They got no mom, they got no dad. They need someone like you. So give an
Jamaica,
Go on,
Jamaica.
Daddy.
in the ghetto.
You gotta get louder for us, Daddy. Come on, louder for us.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
in the ghetto.
Oh yeah, in the ghetto.
Need someone like you. Give a helping hand. Give them a helping
This is my favorite song. I like this song.
Wait, so this is your favorite
This
one?
is my favorite song.
in the ghetto. Look all the children.
And she's the one who has sung this song.
In the
Yeah.
ghetto.
In the studio here.
So it's original.
They
Original.
got no dad. They need someone
words.
like you.
You ain't got no mom and dad.
So give an helping hand. Give them an helping hand. Morning feeling sad, sad and blue. You walk around town all day long. You come back still the same.
There we go, the bike's
So
low.
give an helping hand. Give them an helping hand.
Hold him. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh yeah.
What's a sharp back there?
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, in the ghetto. Got no man, got real long. They come back still the same. So give an helping hand. Give them an helping hand. Oh yeah, in the ghetto.
Oh yeah,
in the ghetto.
Yes.
oh yeah, in the ghetto. Oh yeah, in the ghetto. Oh yeah, in the ghetto. Oh yeah, in the ghetto.
Yeah, I'm not a singer. I'm just having fun.
Yeah,
Oh,
big
yeah,
song.
in the ghetto. That is it.
Incredible.
So me move, now one like me rule. Just a take it cool. just a take it cool. Sandra at a gate last night. Her mama come out like
Trevor
she
says
want
he's on his
to
way.
have a fight. So me flash,
Guys, I'm gonna
check
put
back the other night. Her daddy come out.
Okay, that's enough for me. Big
So people, it a go down to sundown, you know. It was a good vibes out of Hellshire with, you don't know, a Christmas list.
Yes, sweaty, and I lost about 8 pounds in sweat.
Yes, no man.
But it feels good. It was a pleasure to meet you. Honor.
Yeah. So it's first time meeting Chris and it's a good vibes.
Yes.
And we are going to build some more vibes together with him. You're going to see more video with me and him as well, alright?
Most
So
definitely.
I want to stay tuned and go and watch what go on. We have D, Mwanga.
the gang to the world. Gang. Welcome to Jamaica. Thank you. Welcome. She read. I was like, she's running to Greece. Oh my God. No, me want to see Chris.
You're the biggest star. That's
Yeah,
right.
no. Chris,
Yeah.
let in the place them when me now go free.
I'm telling you, it's hard for me to walk in her shadow because she's got so many fans around the world. It's
Oh
incredible.
my God.
Please, again.
Just come on, nothing me eat, me no chair, you can't get me no She didn't even eat, but trying to come and say hello to us. We humbled. We ordered. Next time you come with Mara. Mr. I want to go on the back of it. Mara's yet. I know. I couldn't catch him. Okay, you catch me now. Yes.
Yeah, my number is 876-812-1768.
Yeah, man. So if any of you guys want to support him, you just contact him and call him or WhatsApp him or anything. Yeah, man? Yes, no, man. See him there again.
Yeah, they call me Daddy Man or Daddy Irie.
Daddy Irie. Repeat your number again.
Daddy Irie, 876-812-1768. Either Daddy Man or Daddy Irie, any one of them.
Yes, man. Him the right out of Hellshire. You see me? Same place they have Christmas list there. And yes, no, man. Them there.
What scared me the most is
So yeah, people, make a close off the video. I have some fans come meet the Mwanga and Christmas list. So see them round about there. So we're gonna close off the video now. So remember, thank you guys for watching and thanks for all the support from Christmas list and the Mwanga. Alright, so see you guys in our next video. I don't know which part me I got there yet, but I don't know say family I got there as well. Big them up. Outside.